Britt, today I'm excited. We have a Horizon South unit and you can see the Gulf.
Absolutely. This is a favorite condo complex on the west end of the beach. Plenty of amenities. And when you don't feel like hanging out at the pool, you're really close to the beach.
And you know what? The perk there is they just redid their roads and it's nice and ready for guests.
I love the way the natural light flows into this kitchen and living area. And you can see the Gulf.
Do you love waking up to views of the Gulf? That's what makes this room perfect. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals like this one.